Friends, today I'm going to show that how to use night mode on a standby or iOS 17 off iPhone. Friends, to use night mode on a standby on iOS 17 off iPhone. Friends, first, you have to go on settings of your iPhone. After that, you have to scroll down and you have to go on a standby. Under the accessibility wallpaper, the stack on standby. After that, simply my friends, he have to down this one, standby mode, and also put down on night mode, and show notifications and show preview on tap only. Right then, go back to my friends. After that, you have to keep your phone on the standby horizontally, my friends, and then have to plug in your charger, and you have to turn off the light of your own, my friends, and you can see, it will be on night mode on a standby on iOS 17. Friends, to use night mode on standby on iOS 17. If you're facing problem, feel free to ask in the comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to this, like, share, comment, especially subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get next to your notifications. Thank you for watching. Soon as timer comes, another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.